Good morning. Now, is the music too loud? Might be. I'll take it down a little bit just in case. And hey, my camera moved or something. Definitely. That's okay. Okay, you guys want to give the game a play before we go too far. Also, I need to do... Let me just get in my time tracker here. I'm just going to do like a load of different stuff. I'm just going to do other in general. Until I start doing something that I actually know what I'm doing. Okay. How do you like this? So we've updated the loading screen. Well, not the loading screen, the intro screen, I guess. I don't know. I did a lot of work here. But you can see now, we have the new... Instead of the tree being very far away in the background, we are now at the base of the tree. Right? And we can play. It's a little sound effect with the button. I still need to get some of the sound effects sorted. We can select our characters, see their stats and stuff. We can add, and they stand around like so. Is it perfect? Maybe not. Is it pretty cool? I think so. Okay, then we can continue. You can change their names if you want to, but their names are default as well. And we can start the game. I can show you some of the updates that we did here. Okay, this menu is still the same thing. So some of the buttons and things will be clicky. You can hear them. So let's suppose we take the Robin and put everybody else in a chair to just watch the fight. There we go. So this is actually the same level that we just saw in the intro screen. This is it. You actually start on that level. So we started at the base of the tree, not inside. And we have to fight our way towards the tree. And I never made it to the tree. But that's the idea anyway, eventually. Okay, let's see what we got. Movement speed. Critical. Let's give everything to the Robin, and everybody else got some level ups. I'm not going to pay too much attention if I'm honest. Just do like movement speed. Armor is kind of pointless for the Robin at the moment. Oh, she also doesn't have any HP there, does she? Yeah. Okay. Whoa, I did it. Oh, wow. Okay, I'm super fast. So this level was updated. You might have noticed. So we just got rid of a lot of the grass and stuff because we realized it was I wouldn't say it was a big performance hit, but it definitely made it difficult to play this level with all the green, right? You have all the green little lizards running around through the long grass, and then you have the green frogs on this level as well. Did I really get all the totems? It doesn't feel like I did, but... Oh yes, I shot one at the start. Okay, let's see. Who else can we get strong here? What's this? Okay, this is the Whizbeak. Tanks your movement speed. That feels pretty bad, but anyway. This one also tanks movement speed. Okay, I need to put in some... Oh. And my wife fixed the poster. So now there's a sick-ass poster inside of the gym. Of the buffest chicken you've ever seen. Or whatever that is. Eagle, chicken, something like that. Okay, let's get these guys doing something productive. Let's try that. Oh, damn, okay. So I'm super slow now. I also changed the way the flamethrower works, so you don't throw it in all directions anymore. If you start using your flamethrower, you're kind of locked in to a certain direction. And the owl died because he didn't have enough movement speed. Yo. Let's give him some armor. Maybe that helps him. Okay, we're out of stamina there, not there. Okay, Owl, I think he's just gonna go and rest. You two can rest as well. We'll grab the Ranger. The super quick Ranger. Meow. You can't hit me. I'm the fastest bird in the world. Duped. Duped. Okay, what do we get? Feather Flux. Ah, that thing's terrible. Damage. Let's give it to the duck. Yeah, let's see. Give him some luck. Attack speed. Okay, I wanted to do armor, but that's kind of pointless. Oh, it went through. Damn it. Do spell damage. Lifesteal's not bad. Okay, I don't think the Owl is ever gonna be good. But hey, we'll... The duck feels pretty good. I think it's the damage, eh? Must be. Okay, let's try and make a tanky owl. Let's see if the owl can do this. Damn. Okay, I need to get rid of that totem quick. Okay, so when you're that slow, you just die. Good to know. Okay, we'll grab the ranger, I guess. The insane movement speed. I actually died. Oh, what? What's going on here? Okay, let's get a check. Oh no, there's a totem that weakens me. I'm being weakened. Oh, damn. That's a lot of bombs. Hey, but the chicken survived. Somehow. More armor, health. No lifesteal, attack speed, or crit. Well, we'll give it to the chicken, why not? Attack speed. Oh, I guess the duck is our MVP. Insane. I must say, the game is performing quite well. I mean, given I'm running this in Unity, I'm still above, 30 frames per second, while in Unity, I'm almost out of stamina. Oh, this could go very badly. Okay, I ran out of stamina. Stamina just as the level got cleared. That's good. Okay. Okay. So the first thing I just want to get through is... oh yeah, I switched off the leaves. Right, let's switch them back on. Okay, so the first thing I want to just do is go through all my buttons and stuff and just add the sound effects for the buttons. I'm not necessarily 100% happy with the sound effects I have at the moment. But they are technically sound effects that work. I don't know why, but it feels like the sound for the music is still too high. Okay, anyway, so let's open up our C# project. Take a sip of coffee. Let's see what we got. Okay, so I think I've done most of the sound effects on this menu. Let's go to the other scene so that I can actually test it as I go. Yeah, please save. Okay, let's have a look. Okay, so in our UI, no, we'll do open. Just want to open it up so I can know what I need to do. So we have the character level up. Okay. So we have these buttons at the top here. They should actually be fairly straightforward to do. Then we have all of these, which are my custom buttons. So they should also be straightforward. And the next button, oh, and then runes, right? So we need to do something when you click on a rune, I think, as well. Okay, so first, let's just look for these buttons. Let's start at that corner. Okay, so they are... I can't even... Let's go to our UI. I think they're in the UI manager, if I'm not mistaken. Let's open that up. Yeah. Main bit menu, restart settings. Yep. Okay, so we have click sounds here. Now, I did put hover sounds initially, but it got super annoying. I don't like the hover sounds. So I just have click sounds at the moment. Okay, so this would be UI sound manager dot instance dot play. Whoa. Let's see. So we have a play, confirm. I think it's just neutral button click. Right, so we want that to play when we go to main menu. You know what, restart button and settings button, right? That seems okay. Okay, so that's the first few. Now the other things, okay, so these are my custom elements. So let's see. We have our let's see, game tooltip. No. I don't think it's this one. What? It should be here somewhere. Oh, is it this upgrade button? Yes, I think it is. Okay, so the callback's not registered here. For the click. Yes. Okay, so we're not going to do it from here. Then it must be in the character level up UI. Okay, it's not there. Okay, let's just go to Unity and character level up UI. So, yeah, let's see. Okay, so those three are fine. Level prep button. Oh, okay, yeah. I think we just want to play the neutral button click here as well. Okay, those three are already managed. Okay, here we got the list of all the upgrade buttons, I see. Okay, so we add them, and then we register callback to apply upgrade. Okay, so we can just grab apply upgrade, and somewhere there, yeah, we could just do play. Could play something else. I mean, I might have other sounds in the future. Maybe we do a play upgrade button click, right? And what we can do is we could just go to our UI sound manager, and we could add that. So we can add a public void play upgrade button click. Okay, so at least doesn't give us an error. And what do we want? So we could add to our UI clips so let's see, we have neutral, confirm, cancel, hover, sound, error, select character from slot, add character to slot. So we could just do maybe a public audio clip upgrade button click. Right, play. Audio clips dot upgrade button click, right? Something like that. So we just need to give it something, otherwise it's not going to work. And we'll listen to a few sound effects now. But yeah, we'll have to switch off the music for that. Okay, but that should at least work for those. And we can come back here. So we got these ones, we got these ones, we got this one. Okay, the runes themselves, when they get clicked, something needs to happen as well. So I have a rune manager, so I guess I register all the callbacks here. Yeah, select rune. So there is a select rune. Okay, if we can't select a rune, we return, and there's some reason for that. We could do something like why would we not be able to select a rune? I don't think this is really used anymore. Okay, but anyway, what we want to do is UI sound manager instance dot play. I wanna have a rune select sound. I think that'll be nice. Right. Rune select sound, and miskien maybe a audio clip rune apply sound or equip sound. Yeah, I think both of those would be nice to have. Okay, so this is going to be rune select and rune apply. Or rune equip. Okay. Something like that. I think that'll be nice. So then we can go here and we can do play rune select sound. Okay. Apply selected rune to character. Okay, so we're gonna, there's a chance to fail. I guess we could do error sound would work. I think the error sound currently is a little bit harsh, but yeah, we could do something like that. But if we don't do that, we could do UI sound manager instance dot play rune equip sound. Yeah. Okay, so that should be all the runes stuff we need, right? Okay, we can save that. I think that should be everything on this screen, right? Okay, now when I'm thinking about it, we're also gonna do a public audio clip. So what I want here is let's say unlock room slot, right? Public audio clip, unlock, so this is going to be unlock exchange able room, and then public audio clip upgrade room slot. I think so. Okay, so we're gonna need those. And in our UI sound manager, we'll have a public void play. Okay, so let's see, I can't remember already. So unlock room, unlock exchangeable room, upgrade room slot. So play unlock room slot sound. Okay, so that's play UI sound UI audio clips dot unlock room slot. Should I? That's okay. Okay, then we have unlock exchange able room. Okay, this is unlock exchangeable room. And then we have no, we don't have. We have upgrade room slot, right? There we go. That seems like a lot of it. Okay, so what we have to do now... Okay, so I think we're done here. I did do next level, right? I'm sure I did. We'll obviously play the game and listen to all the sounds and make sure they are there. But I think this is done. Okay, so let's go to our next bit of UI. So we can open our level prep. Okay, so there's a lot of stuff here. So let's... Okay, these should already be handled. Open shop. Yeah, we need an open shop sound. Okay, audio clip. Open shop sound. Close shop sound, right? Why not? I think we can have both of those. Okay, so play open shop. Play close shop. Open shop sound. Close shop sound. There we go. Okay. Right, so that's the shop. We have those. We have that unlock. That one. That's just start. We could make a start level sound, I guess, if we wanted. Okay, but I think I got all the sounds sorted for this, so now I just have to go through and find them all and, you know, do the thing. Okay, so I think it's just going to be in level prep, mostly. Okay, so in level prep UI. So let's see what we have here. Okay. Verification pop-up. Oh, okay, and that's another one I didn't really think about it. Okay, so if we click, we can cancel and we can continue. Okay, so I think if we cancel the verification pop-up, I think that's just play cancel button click. Yeah, I think so. So that one's easy. Just play the cancel button sound. Okay, these three are already sorted. Okay, start next level. Okay. Okay, please select a character, continue to the next level. So I think what we could do here... play error sound, maybe? Perhaps? Okay, so for now we can do UI, play, confirm, button click, right? So we can just do that one for now. Okay, I need to start cleaning up some of this code. It's horrible to look at. Okay, change current slot. Don't know if I need to do anything here. So let's just continue. Okay, yeah, in the slot itself, we register slot clicked. Okay, but the function might be here still, if I remember correctly. And then we also have icon register callback. Oh, point to int event. We don't want those, yeah. Okay. Okay, so let's see. On the slot clicked, okay, so if the pop-up is displayed or the shop is open, we don't do anything. We don't have runes here anymore, so technically this doesn't do anything for us anyway. Okay, selected characters equal to nothing. Okay. So here I already played a sound, because I've been here before. Select character from slot. I think that's what I want to play here. So this is if I don't have anything selected. And I select a character. I can't remember how this worked again. If it's not a new wave, we do verify replacement slot here. If our selected character is null, if there's nothing, we just return, that's fine. But if the slot character game object is dead, you can't interact with it. Okay, we could... Okay. You can't interact with the revive station. Well, you can't really interact with a dead character, essentially, right? So we could do UI sound dot instance dot play error sound here as well. Right, so if a character is dead, you can't mess with it, obviously. Okay. We could also play the select character from slot sound here when the verification pop-up happens, I guess. Or maybe we don't. Okay, so let's see. Because this is going to go to verify replacement character, right? Yeah, so maybe we should do it here. So we're going to go through the can't select dead character. So here we want UI manage play error sound again. Okay, so this is if you selected a dead character. Otherwise, I guess we can just do the character select sound, right? Select character from slot. Okay, so that's okay. Okay, and then we can verify this. Okay, so this is if we click the verification continue sound. Okay, so let's see. That's just a debug. Select character if it's not equal to null. Okay, we do all that stuff. Okay, so this is when we click the verify continue button, right? But we've already done our check, so we could do UI sound manager instance.play confirm button click. Okay, so that's okay. Okay, let's just go back here and make sure we've done all the slot clicking. Okay, so this is just selecting a character. So if we don't have anything selected, we'll play something, right? Okay. Now, if we have a character selected and we click on a slot, I actually want to do play error sound in this case. So this is if you click on a slot that has it's level 0, right? It's like, why are you clicking on a slot that's not even working? So just play an error sound there. Right click, I don't care Select character, game object, component is dead. Okay, so if somehow you got to this point, I actually want to play the error sound again. Basically tells us, listen, you tried selecting a dead character, don't do that. Or moving a dead character. Right? Okay, if slot.room type, waiting room, is the default. You know what, actually what I want to do here is play add character to slot, right? Yeah, I think I want to do play add character to slot there and there. So if we clicked on a default slot, we play that sound. And if we did a just a normal slot, we do the swap slots. Okay, so that should do most of my slot interactions. I think so. And the verification pop-up. Hover, we don't want those. Okay. Okay, so now we can look at the shop. So open shop, I actually want to do play open shop sound here. No, this is close. Play close shop sound, right? This is if the shop is open already, we play the close sound, we close, and we return. Here we play shop open shop sound, right? That's what we do here. Okay, so that works out. Wow. Let's get rid of that stuff. Okay, so let's see. Okay. So the actual shop buttons for spending our cash, I don't see them here. So what I'm assuming is those buttons exist somewhere else. Okay, so if I'm not mistaken, they will be in the room slot custom UI element. So let's see, over here somewhere. Yeah, shop button hover, room slot hover. So those are the hovering. Register callback. Okay, so let's see. So we add the data. That's okay. Register slot clicked. And that's just to put the characters where they need to go. But we have the slot clicked function in level prep UI. So we did that one. Okay. Remove character. Shop button click. Okay. Okay. So here we have a shop clicked. You don't have enough coin for that. So this is going to be UI sound.instance.play error sound, I guess. So when we click on the shop button, first of all, this is registered over there. Yeah, okay. So if we don't have enough sound, we can play the error there. Room manager, shop button click. Okay, so we... Well, technically, I could just play the UI sound here, right? Okay, so... Okay, wait, this would do different things depending on what we did. Okay, so we do something like this. If level is equal to 0, right? So if the click was actually the unlock, we do UI sound instance dot play unlock room slot sound. Okay. Yeah, I can't remember all this weird shorthand people use. Anyway, so I'll just use good old-fashioned okay. Else we do UI sound manager instance play upgrade button click, right? No. Play upgrade room slot sound. Okay, so we can either, if it's level 0, we do an unlock sound. Anything above level 0, it'll always play the upgrade sound. And then obviously when it's level 3, the button disappears, so then we can't click on it anymore. So that's fine. Okay, I'm happy with that. Okay, hovering, we don't want that. Yeah, hover is annoying with sound effects. I don't like it. We'll just have a visual hover. I think that's fine. Okay, so now we should have all the shop buttons. Now, we don't have the exchangeable room sounds yet, as far as I'm aware. So we might have to, yeah. This is the exchangeable room shop elements. They don't have, this is just the shop elements themselves. Yeah, I think the exchangeable room is what I need. Not quite sure where, oh, there it is. Right above it. Okay. So let's see, when we connect the elements, we probably register callbacks here somewhere. Yeah. Change room type. Okay, so that would be down here somewhere. Room change, this room. Okay, we could do a UI sound manager here. Instance play. I think just a neutral button click, right? That's okay. Just clicked on the room type. Okay, then we can unlock the selected room. Now, if we did that and we didn't select a room, we do UI sound manager dot instance dot play error sound, I guess. Yeah. Another way we can get an error is if we don't have enough money. And then finally, if we had enough money, we should play the unlock instance dot play unlock exchangeable room sound. There we go. Okay. So we can go to our sound manager, UI sound manager. So let's see. All of these have references. Yeah. Okay, the slot hover sound and the button hover. Okay, some of them still have references, even though I nuked them because it's super annoying. But if I want to put it back, I can. Okay, but I'm happy with that. Basically. I'm basically happy with that. Okay. Alright, so now that this is set up, I guess we just have to go through our audio and find appropriate sound effects. And then we're just gonna have to test and see if I did all of them. I think I've done most of them. Okay, wait, there's still the like the, let's see, there's still the game, the pause menu, right? Yeah, I mean, this one's not that difficult to do. We can do that one real quick. Okay, so let's just go to pause menu. Okay, yeah, so here we have okay, so we have UI sound manager instance dot play, confirm button click. I think if we just want to continue, right? Main menu settings restart should be sorted, it seems. Those are all in the UI manager. Okay, restart, settings, and main menu. Okay, so that was it. So we just needed that one extra one. Okay, I think the only other one is the game over, but I think that's still on the old canvas thing. I think I still use the old UI system for that. To display the game over UI. Damn. Okay, well I'll have to replace that sometime. But for now, I think I'm happy with that. So let's go get the sound effects. Unfortunately, we're gonna, for a couple of minutes, we're gonna have to sit here without some good music playing. Okay, so I just lock that, otherwise it's gonna keep flipping going away. Okay, let's just do this. Let's pause that. Okay, so let's see. So we have button hover is annoying. Slot hover, neutral button. This cancel might be too much. It's okay. It's okay. We'll keep it. Okay, so upgrade button click. This is when we upgrade our characters. Yeah, I'm not entirely sure what we want there, but we can see. Okay, so these are just... Okay, I have a bunch of sound effects, right? What is general? Coin and runes, okay. Click sound effects, button, crispy, metallic. Okay, this is like actually just like keyboard and mouse clicks. Okay, let's see. We should be able to... Let's go to this everything bundle. And let's see if we can find... Here's a UI sound library. Let's see what they have here. some very basic stuff. I kind of like that for the rune equip sound, actually. Yeah, this is going to be a whole thing. Yeah, most of these sounds are not quite what I had in mind, to be honest. Action crafting, maybe that could help. Not really. You know what? Let's just... What is impact? Oh. That kind of impact. Okay. Okay, so let's go through... Okay, so the unlock room type of sounds. That'll be sound effects that sound like coins or something, right? I mean... Okay, so let's do unlock room sound. Oh, the exchangeable room sound. We'll do that one. And then we can do upgrade room slot and unlock room slot. We'll just do the other one for now. Okay, open and close shop. Kind of want a bell or something. Okay, let's see what else I have. I have a bunch of other sound effects that I downloaded yesterday. Oh, here's a whole inventory bundle. That could work. Inventory sound effects. Book, scroll, clothing, coins. Okay, so let's just go here. General or UI audio. Yeah, I think I want to go UI audio. That way, if I find something, it's very quiet. It's not super. It's not very loud, is it? I mean, my sound might just be low, but... Woo! Jewels and runes. Okay, let's put those there. Okay. No. Okay, got those. Mm. Okay, not too sure. But anyway, that's at least something, I guess. It's not bad. Let's see what else I have here. Oh, these are not okay. No, that's pictures. That's pictures. That's not sound effects. That's not sound effects. What else? Where else? Now I have these. It's like little chords. They're not bad, but they're not quite. I don't think they really fit what I want to get at here. Yeah. And let's just go look at my other sound collections. We have the Pro Sound collection over here. Not sure what that thing is. Let's just go have a listen. Okay, I can already kind of tell that this is not gonna be it for me. And I've listened to these multiple times. Collectibles, items, power up. Okay, wait a minute. Oh, cash register open. That's perfect. I want that sound for the shop. Ah, jeez. To open the shop. That's perfect. That's exactly what I wanted. Okay, these coin bags. These items are too happy. I kind of like that. Some of these sound like they come straight from... What's that game? It's a mobile game. Pokemon Go. Okay, well that wasn't completely... What about doors? Ooh, I think... Okay, not doors. Alarms, beeps, and sirens. Okay, I need to be careful about these. They can destroy my ears. What is this? Nature's ambience. No, thank you. I'm not going to do that one again. Cinematic sound? What does that mean? Ooh. Okay, electric hums, TV and stuff like that, I guess. Okay, I see what that is. It's not going to help me. What's folly? Foley. Folly. I don't actually know. Ah. Okay, that's not too bad, but I mean, I don't think it's going to help right now. What's in miscellaneous? A bell. Ooh, wait, this could work. Nah, it's not going to work. Not that one, at least. I want to. What is wood? Okay. It's actually not so bad. I think I'm getting quite a good plus. Okay. I think I was Yeah, I think I was listening to the UI sounds and I didn't really like them. Yeah, like they are a bit weird. I don't know. Yeah, no, they're not really what I want. Voice. Fun characters.
Oh, hey.
Oh, I remember. I know where this is from. uh, huh. These are like attack sounds. Okay.
To war!
I think I might actually. What did the human male sound like? Because I was looking for a different sound for my chicken.
Cover me! Grenade! Go, go, go! Move out!
Okay. You know what? I'm gonna stop it there and let's just assign some of these sounds. Okay, so our cash register, that is 100% open the shop. You know, we can close the shop with that one for now as well. Okay, upgrade room. Okay, let's go with the ones I have. I like rune 2. This could be my rune select sound. And then the rune equip sound. I'm not really sure about this one, but let's just do that one. Now the upgrade buttons, that's like a level up, right? Not too sure about that one. Don't have a good one. Well, let's just do. I don't know. Let's just do the swipe sound. No, I don't know. Right? I really don't know. I'm going to try this. And let's give the game a play. And we're going to do it. Okay, let's do a play and see what everything sounds like without any music or other things distracting. Let's just give it a listen. Okay, so clicking on... Okay, so settings does do something. Next level works. Okay, so right here, the shop's already open. If I click... Okay, let me just reset my volume. Okay, so open up and then... Oh, that's the error sound, okay. I mean, it's pretty subtle, right? But it's okay. Huh, I like that. Yeah. Okay, next level. We go to next level. Now we could change the next level button. I think that one could be changed. Okay, so let's say we go click there. What is this red line over here? My pause button break. It seems like... Okay, let's see the upgrades. That's not good. No, I don't like the upgrade sound at all. Okay. That should feel like a... Actually don't know what that should feel like. Maybe it should just be a shorter, clicky sound, actually. Yeah, maybe we just want a clicky sound. Just like a neutral button click sound or something. Okay, let's see. That's not what I wanted. Okay, let's try this one. Yay. I jumped over the wall. Kill a bunch of these so I can actually level up a little bit. Listen to the sound effects. Okay, so it's not... I'm not a fan of the rune sound, I'd be honest. I'm especially not a fan because it's so repetitive. Okay, so what we could do there... Okay, so let's go and see. So for the rune sound specifically, what we might be able to pull off is just make it an array. Okay, and then inside of our manager, instead of just straight up playing it, we do one of these. Not one of those. Okay, yeah, we need to do random dot range between 0 and UI audio clips dot rune select sound dot length. Okay, now we can have a bunch of them in there, which could help us a little bit. So just let it compile. What? Where's the error? Oh, I didn't save this one. Okay. Okay, now it compiles. Okay, and then we can maybe do a couple of these sounds then. I think if it just varies the sound a little bit, I think I'll feel better about it already. Well, hopefully. Okay, so let's see if I do rune 1 through 5. That should help with this, the sound being so repetitive, right? I think. Because it's one of those things you can spam click. Okay. Also, the start next level sound should be something a little bit more dramatic. Like a doof or something, you know, like just a little bit more of a sound effect. So let's do public audio clip start level sound, right? And then we do here a straightforward public void start play start level sound. Okay, and we would just want to do one of those in there. Okay, now we don't have a good sound yet, but now it should be set up at least. And we should go to our level prep. Where's level prep? There we go. Level prep. So somewhere at the top, I think I do the callback, or I register, or whatever I do. Start level button dot clicked. Yeah. Okay. So right here, when I do this, so we could also do both, right? Sound manager dot instance dot play start level sound. Okay. I actually don't know if we can do both. Yeah, because they're gonna run right after one another, so this one's just gonna not work. Yeah, so there's really no point playing both. Okay. Well, not like that, at least. Okay, so we can find a nice sound effect for that. Yeah, let's go back here and see if there was something nice. Okay, so it's kind of like... I mean, not really that great. But definitely a more... Yeah, I don't know. It's difficult to say, right? I honestly... This is hard. Like, sound effects are hard because you can't listen to everything at the same time and see if everything sounds good together. It's like the UI or the visuals, at least I can see all 10 little elements together and I'll be like, this element doesn't fit. But the sound is super complicated with that. Yo, this guy. How's it going, man? Maybe there's a... Yeah. I'm doing well, thank you. I just have no idea what to do with my sound effects. Damn. Specifically now for UI sound effects. What if... I don't know if this is going to work. I don't know what you would call this even. Was here. It's not too bad, some of it. Okay. Yeah, I'm trying that. Very simple sounds. Yeah, I guess it's better that it's... Well, in this specific case, less is definitely more. Because I think you can be super annoying super quickly with UI sound effects, eh? Okay, you know what? I'm gonna... So the start level sound... let's maybe just listen to some of these button clicks again. Like, this is obviously too little of a sound. It's like I can't hear anything. Let's see, what else do I have here? Yeah, okay, now these are also not really sounds. The only one I kind of want to be at least a little bit of soundy, right? Because you don't click it often. There needs to be some kind of an announcement. Like, yo, I actually clicked play game or start level or whatever. It's not just... But yeah, it shouldn't be... Okay, those are super basic. What if I use one of those chords, actually? Let's go see what they are about again. I mean, I also have a lot of music stuff that we could use. What do they call those? They called something specifically. yeah, logos. Yeah. These are a little bit long. I don't know why they're that long. So 1 minute. They shouldn't be that long. Bit much. But there's another word for it, but I can't remember now what it is. It's not a logo, but it's something like that. I just can't remember. Oh, these could work, actually. No, but they are shorter versions. It's like just a big drum. Where was that? Which one of these music packs had that? I feel like it would have been this one, but I'm not sure. Maybe... Oh, wait. I did put this somewhere. Yeah, no, I made a collection of music somewhere. Yeah. Here we go. Oh, I think it was this one. Logos. Yeah, something like that, right? Super short. These are a bit long still, but... Maybe I can edit them down. Okay, but that could work. And let's see, there's percussion stuff here as well. Not really what I want. Nope. Let's see. So if I did this, right? Yes, I guess. I don't know. Okay, so what if I just wanted... Oh, come on, Audacity, just don't be like that. Okay, so what if I just want to delete all of that? Apparently it didn't like what I just did. Okay, wait. So let's say I don't use Audacity very often. Although, no, I want this up to there. I remember you can cut, but I can't remember how. Oh, that's a looping region. Ah, it feels like I don't have all my tools here. Don't know why. Haven't used Audacity in forever though, so could just be me. Can we? Oh, okay, that's not what I wanted to do. Yeah. Okay. Can we just put everything back to where it was? Thank you. Okay. Okay, so if I put my cursor there, tools, cut. I want to just cut the track right here. Split clip. There we go. And then this side of the clip, I want to get rid of it. All right. And then I want to grab this. And I want to add an effect. Effect. I want to add a fade effect. Fading. Fade out. There we go. Okay, let's try this split. Please stop, please stop, please stop, please stop. Okay, this first part, can I delete it? No. Like that. Okay, and then this. Okay, we're gonna try. Let's just do an effect here. Let's do another fade. Fade out. Okay. File. Export. Okay, start. Level logo. 1, I guess. Okay, it's going to be chucked into my Audacity folder, which I didn't pay attention where that folder is. Go figure. Oh, yeah, there we go. Here's it. Okay, so let's just try that. Drag that in there, drag it in there. Okay. Hopefully that's not super annoying, but we'll see, I guess. Okay. That's okay. Yeah. It's a bit weird, but it's. I guess it is what it is. Okay. Let's. You know what? Let's go to our main scene. Enable the in-game music and see how this goes. Let's have all the sounds working together. So I want to do the in-game music specifically because obviously if I use Spotify, the levels will be all over the place. Main menu. I think I switched off the music. Yeah, I did. Come back, music. There we go. Okay, let's give it a play. Let's see if everything looks and works the way I want it to. There we go. Looks pretty nice. Let's make it full screen. Let's get the full experience here. Ah, there we go. Okay. It's a bit loud. We found the entrance. I don't know if the music is working. It's a weird... Like, it's good to listen to, right? Maybe. I don't know. I'm gonna keep it in. I like it. I feel like I always disable music in games, though. It's maybe why it's weird to hear music in this game. I should obviously give people the option of, you know, disabling the music if I want. That's not too bad. I think that's good. The only one that's a little bit weird is the starting one. Gonna probably just make that a button again. Yeah, normal button sound. Okay. Let's get the chicken in the fight. Yeah, I definitely need to tweak that one a little bit. We done it. Oh, I should let somebody die. I haven't heard any of the error sounds. Okay, let's try that. Let's see what that sounds like. Not the death sound itself, just errors. Just stand here. I've died. Okay, so it's not happy about it. You can burn. Oh, I died. Okay. It's getting ridiculous. I kind of like that gloop gloop gloop. For some reason. Okay, so we've heard some of the error sounds. Okay, so I heard something now. That's not exactly what I wanted. Okay, so when you click on an empty slot without a character, so let's go check. Okay, I think we can just play the music on Spotify again. Okay, so slot clicked with empty. If character is null, it returns. This is only if the... Okay, so let's see. We don't have anything. Select character, slot character. Okay, so maybe we don't put this here. So when we select a character, obviously... Do we put that sound at the back there? Or maybe we just put a little if statement here. If selected character is not equal null, then we just play that sound in that case. Now, if we click on this thing and it doesn't actually return a character, I don't want to play the sound. I think that's okay. Okay, so the start level sound, I'm not a fan of that one still. Okay, so let's go to our scriptable objects. Okay, I'll do something like that, I think. Okay, so now this should be most of the sounds. I believe. Okay, what else do I really want to do today? Now let's go to our UI. I just realized this UI, if we preview it, doesn't do anything, right? Yeah, I mean it looks good. Generally speaking, button. Okay, there's no image turn. So let's just do a. Just duplicate this and just do a hover. Okay, and then all we have to do is just tint it slightly darker, right? Yeah, just something like that. And yeah, tint. 0.2 seconds is fine. think. Let's just preview that. Yeah, that's okay. Okay. And technically I should change this background because I've yeah, I've done a bunch of things that I should. I need to think about how to do proper UI, USS stuff, because damn, I'm doing this from memory. Like, I did that. Okay, this color. Oh, come on, let me change the color. I just want it to be transparent. And then I tint this thing to something which I can't remember. It's like, okay, I like that, so I want to be consistent with it. I guess let me write it down for now. Okay, let's open up. So this would be in my party selection UI, right? Yeah, so this panel here, that color. Not even that panel, but yeah, whatever. Guys, you know what I mean. No, it is that panel. Yeah, so it's tinted this color. 155. Okay. So it's like 155, 255, 255. It's technically 54. 230. Right, I think they're all like that, yeah. But I should get this somewhere else. Okay, and even these buttons I've tinted. Ugh. I need to actually redo my USS because it's a bit of a mess, right? Need to refactor my USS, which it's not something I thought I'd ever say. It just sounds terrible. Alright, so this is actually 155, 254, 255, 230. And that's it. Yeah, and then yeah, all the text. Jeez. Okay, I should refactor my USS. I think that is something I should do. So I should make like a USS, a base USS where I can have stuff like these backgrounds. So I can just apply it. Because that looks nice, right? That is what I want. But now if I go through yeah, it gets to that point, unfortunately. Like everything, at some point, I'm forced to do it. Because the UI is very inconsistent, right? If you look at this one and you go to my main menu, yeah, that root container custom element thing, I've heard of it, I've read about it, but I don't actually understand how to start implementing it. What do you actually do to do the root container thing? Oh, is it just a file? Is it a USS file? Oh. So like if I take this main container I have over here and I put it inside that custom element, it'll attach all the root stuff, I guess. Or actually, if I think about it now, that main container should be that root that you are talking about, right? That custom element. That would make sense. Because I have a main container for every single scene. So there's always something right at the top that everything else can inherit from, I guess. Yeah, because I need to make this consistent. Because if I go now from here and I open, for instance, the any other UI, it's not the same. Like if you just go back to this one, like the button colors here are not the same because these have been tinted, and obviously all the text have the shadow and all that good stuff, which is nice, but I really need to put that everywhere. And then if we go to the level prep, I mean, this is just its own thing. Did you send me a file? Oh, nice. Oh wait, this is the other thing that you sent me long ago. Did you create Okay, so but I need to then create a style sheet, right? This is all my style sheets that I have to. This style sheets.add. Oh, I didn't realize you could do that. I could also get rid of the namespace and stuff like that, right? Because I don't use namespaces. Yeah, I don't know what Tailwind even is, to be honest. But yeah, send it to me. I think I'm gonna do this offline though. I just wanna. Okay. CSS. Yeah, I thought it was something to do with that. But I know you can set. You can do so many other things, but anyway, yeah. You can set stuff like your, you can set variables, and then in the CSS you can just use a variable for colors instead of actually defining a color. Right, I've seen that as well. I think actually I have an example of that. Somebody, I think Damon sent it to me, the guy from YouTube. Oh, you did send me one. There we go. Just download. What is this thing doing? It doesn't know how to open it. Wait. For some reason, it's being dumb. Let's... Where do I put my stuff? Just here. Aha. Yeah. Okay. Unfortunately, I can't see what the colors are. Yeah, but you use root. Damn. Okay, you just straight up Okay. Let me see if I have... This is some of it. This is for all the Unity stuff. Wait a minute. Oh yeah, he sent me a GitHub link. What? Damn. Yeah, so he does this thing. I don't know if you've seen this before. Oh, where the hell is my chat? Oh, this guy. So you have a better IDE than I do. Oh, that's actually super useful. So you can click on these and it gives you a little color wheel or something, eh? And you can just change them. That's actually very cool. I think I need to upgrade my IDE. You use CS Code. VS Code. Okay. Yeah, well, I have Visual Studio, which is obviously worse for some reason. I think I want to try JetBrains, actually. I watched a couple of just some videos and tutorials and stuff on it. It looks kind of neat. The stuff, the way it integrates with Unity is pretty cool. It does some other stuff that you can't do normally. Okay, but this is so he defines stuff like this, where you have a variable font, right? I don't know what this does. I don't understand this, but it's he uses this keyword variable var a lot of the time, and then later on he references it from down here. But yeah, obviously now I can't find it, or something like that, which I thought was an interesting thing to do, but not that I know how that works. Oh, okay. So these are variables as well, hey? The stuff you sent. So instead of I can call them. So for instance, I could say. Okay. So if I have a dot, let's say button over here. Right, I can say something like back. I actually don't know what the correct syntax is for this stuff. So I could say color, for instance. I'm just using yours now as a thing. So color, instead of doing RGB blah blah blah, I could just call var, and if I know what these color mean, I can just grab. So I can set up my own thing that maybe makes more sense to me, hey? But that should now work. That's actually pretty neat. Okay, I think I'm understanding this. Ooh, this is gonna be quite the refactor. So all your variables are just what are they? They are all color variables, right? You just did color here. No, you did something else, I'm sure. Yeah, okay, you did. Okay, so here's some space, border width. So I can give this naming. I can make anything, right? So let's just say I want to do my own nonsense down here. My own nonsense. Do I need to start it off with double dash Ruan dash something colon 60? But that's it, eh? Okay, so why is yours green and mine is not? Is it picking up yours as legitimate something and mine not? You're just cool, okay. But technically this is a valid variable, right? So I could now easily, I need to give it like pixels or something, eh? Because 60 would just be a integer. Or what would that actually do if I just made it 60 and that's it? Would it understand that? I guess I could make it a percentage as well, hey? Yeah, this is proper. This is basically CSS. Okay, now I can do just zeros. It seems like if I just look at what Unity does here. Yeah. Ugh, yes, I'm gonna have to. It's gonna be painful. Okay, will either not work or default to pixels. That makes sense. That makes sense because if I just start entering numbers into Unity as well, it just goes to pixels as well. So no, that makes sense. Yeah, it is worth it. I completely agree. This is gonna be worth it. It's gonna be a painful. It's gonna be a painful lesson in structuring your project correctly the first time around. But I didn't know what correct structure looked like before I started UI Toolkit, so yeah, I'm gonna have to go. But I think I'm gonna create my own because yours is already overwhelming. And also, I don't know what these colors mean. It's probably nice to have all of them available, but like I can't preview them or anything, so it's gonna just be annoying to work with. Yeah. I think I'm gonna do that. I'm also thinking about just ending the stream now. I don't want to do this on stream, but I don't really have anything else really bugging me at the moment with the game. Yeah, I'll make it my way. Did you actually... you want to watch me do this? Nah. Okay. Did you see the new main menu scene though? I don't know if you were here when I started. And we got music for the game. So that's the in-game track now. So this is the entrance to the tower, technically. It's also the first level, so this is the level that you play at on the first wave, the first round, the first whatever. Yeah, so I did this, So now the character selection is way better. You don't like these buttons? Yeah, it's a work in progress. We're trying different things. They were these green buttons, but it's a... I think this is a massive improvement. So now you can actually see what the characters do, select them, and now if you add them, like, boom, they go stand there next to the fireplace. And if you want to unadd them, you can just click on them and they go away. I think that's pretty slick. I'm very happy about my character selection here. It's one of the coolest things I've done. This is the coolest thing I've done. What are you talking about? Okay, then you continue. So the idea here would be this screen right now doesn't really add much, but it's like just a last confirmation of your characters, so you can see and rename them. So I made it so that they have default names, but you can change this to, you know, Daffy if you want. And then this is going to be where I display, I guess, info if you're loading a game, right? So if you're continuing a run, you can see stuff like, you know, what rooms have you unlocked, blah, blah, blah. Just some basic information so you can get an idea of what that run had. And then also the characters that you had on that run and their levels. So you can see the progress before you click start. Thanks, man. And obviously you click start. I need to figure out this transition a little bit. And obviously we shouldn't start on the level up screen, I don't think, because this screen doesn't do much now. We should start maybe here or something like this. And here we are. We're on the first level, which is the one we just looked at. I think that's a nice touch as well. And I think what we're going to do is we're going to change the way the first level works, and maybe more levels to come. But I kind of want you to fight your way to the door and then hold the door for a minute or two, you know? Well, not a minute or two. This would be ridiculous, but you know what I mean? It's like, because right now it's just over in 30 seconds. So it's like, you kind of just, you know, you kind of just, sometimes you don't even reach the door, which is kind of sad. And then we can, okay, I mean, you've seen all this stuff. I don't know, this shop button seems to be, that's maybe too much. I need to do. Oh, we have the smithy done, so I can add the smith now. So we have a spa and a blacksmith. So much to do, but I think the game looks good enough that we can make some promotional screenshots and stuff at least. Right? If you look at this, like this level, for instance. I could just play the game, you know, on a recording and then maybe go back and take some screenshots, because I think the visuals are not that bad. I think if people saw this on a Steam page somewhere, they'll think, it kind of looks like a game. Right? What do you think? Are you glad you found me? I'm glad you found me too. One day I'll come to New Zealand and say hello. New Zealand is a very popular... it's a very popular immigration destination for South Africans. I have so many friends and family who live there. No, not actually family, it's mostly friends. Most of my family went to the UK. It's a sad story, but yeah, it's what it is. Oh, you have family from South Africa. Have they taught you Afrikaans? Or they don't even try. Or maybe they aren't Afrikaans. That's also possible, hey? They could be one of those... Wait, what are you saying? Your partners? Do you have multiple partners? How many partners do you have? You have long and short-term partners. I get in trouble. The decals are also super nice. I think that was a good touch. You know what else I should give decals? I should give these damn totems decals. Because I made an effect for them. Where the hell are the totems? Okay. They are all from South Africa. Okay, cool. And are they Afrikaans, or is it just a bunch of English people? I mean, even if they were English, at some point you integrate with the new country eventually, so you... Does she ever speak a different language that you don't understand? That's maybe... Let's just be very clear about this. Afrikaans is a language. Okay. It's my first language, right? Yeah, in South Africa, first language English speakers are very few and far between. We don't have many of them. She speaks woman. Yeah, that counts. But she didn't learn that from South Africa. She learned that somewhere else. Let's just load one bird, see what happens. He's got all the bad runes. Oh, he has super fast attack speed and 0 attack. Whoops. Well, guess I shouldn't have done that. Well, this is pointless. Let's just die. The poor chicken. Got a couple of banger soundtracks in here, eh? Yeah, I almost died. Yeah, that's it. Okay, but I think I'm gonna leave you. Thanks everybody for coming by. But we have some plans for today. It is Saturday after all, and the shops are opening soon. So yeah, let me go do some shopping. Can't wait. And then when I get back, I'll probably do some style sheets. Thanks, man. Have a good rest of your day. Everybody, enjoy. Cheers.